Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's got the automotive world buzzing, the 2026 Ford F-100 pickup truck. This isn't just any truck. It's a bold revival of a classic nameplate, blending retro charm with modern muscle. Ford's bringing back the F-100, and from what we've seen, it's shaping up to be a game changer. So buckle up as we take a deep dive into every angle of this truck, its exterior, interior, performance, pricing, and some thoughts on whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the exterior, and we'll begin with the front. The 2026 Ford F-100's front end is where it screams retro cool while still feeling like it belongs in the future. Picture a bold, chrome-heavy grille that pays homage to the classic F-100s from the 50s and 60s. It's wide, it's in your face, and it's got that vintage vibe with a modern twist. The headlights are sleek LED units, slim and sharp, giving the truck a piercing gaze. They're paired with subtle amber accents that nod to the old-school trucks without looking dated. The bumper is rugged yet refined, with integrated fog lights that give it a purposeful stance. You can tell Ford's designers spent time balancing nostalgia with a contemporary edge. Think of it as a love letter to F-100 fans wrapped in 21st century tech. Moving to the side profile. This truck is all about presence. The F-100 has a muscular, athletic stance, sitting lower than the beefier F-150 but still commanding attention. The lines are clean, with a gentle curve that flows from the front fender to the rear, giving it a streamlined look that's both timeless and aerodynamic. You'll notice retro-inspired chrome trim along the windows and door handles, tying it back to its heritage. The wheel arches are pronounced, housing wheels that range from 18 to 22 inches, depending on the trim. Lower trims get rugged steel wheels with a classic look, while higher trims sport polished alloys that add a touch of flash. One standout feature is the optional two-tone paint scheme. Think cream and red or black and silver that screams vintage pickup. The side steps are practical, making it easy to hop in, and there's a subtle F-100 badge on the fender that's just enough to flex its legacy without being obnoxious. Now, let's swing around to the back. The rear of the F-100 keeps the retro-modern theme going strong. The tailgate is a highlight, stamped with Ford in big, bold letters, just like the classic models. It's got a clean, no-fuss design with LED taillights that wrap around the corners for better visibility. The bumper is sturdy, with built-in steps for easy access to the bed, which is a nice touch for anyone using this truck for work or play. The bed itself is versatile, with options for a spray-in liner, tie-downs, and even a power outlet for tools or camping gear. You can also opt for a tailgate step that pops out, making it easier to climb in. Overall, the rear design is functional but doesn't skimp on style, with chrome accents and a polished look that ties the whole exterior together. Stepping inside, the 2026 F-100's interior is where things get really interesting. Open the door, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends rugged utility with surprising refinement. The base 40 trim keeps it simple with durable cloth seats and a straightforward layout. Perfect for those who want a no-nonsense work truck. But as you climb the trim ladder to the XLT Lariat or even the top-tier Platinum, things get downright luxurious. Higher trims offer leather upholstery, with options for two-tone finishes like black and tan that feel more like a premium SUV than a pickup. The seats are supportive, with heating and ventilation available, and the driver's seat has plenty of adjustability for long hauls. The dashboard is modern but nods to the past, with retro-inspired gauges and a mix of analog and digital displays. A massive 12-inch touchscreen sits at the center, running Ford's latest SYNC4 system. It's snappy, intuitive, and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you're always connected. There's also a premium B&O sound system option with 8 speakers that delivers crystal clear audio, whether you're blasting country or classic rock. Storage is another strong point. You've got deep center console bins, door pockets that can hold water bottles, and a full flat front passenger seat for extra cargo space. Higher trims add a leather-wrapped steering wheel and ambient lighting that gives the cabin a warm, inviting feel at night. One cool feature is the optional interior work surface, a fold-out table in the center console that's perfect for job sites or impromptu picnics. The back seat, in crew cab models, is spacious enough for adults, with plenty of legroom and headroom. You can also fold the rear seats up for extra storage in the cabin. Overall, the interior strikes a great balance between practicality and comfort, making it a place you'll actually enjoy spending time in, whether you're commuting or hauling. Gear across the country. Now, let's get to the heart of the F-100, its performance. Ford hasn't officially confirmed the full powertrain lineup, but based on reliable sources and industry buzz, we've got a good idea of what's coming. The base engine is likely a 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6, pumping out around 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. It's peppy enough for daily driving and light towing, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of about 6.5 seconds. Step up to the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, and you're looking at 400 horsepower and 500 pound-feet, offering serious grunt for heavier loads. For those who want maximum efficiency, there's a PowerBoost hybrid option, combining the 3.5-liter V6 with an electric motor for 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque. This hybrid is a standout, hitting 60 miles per hour in about 5.8 seconds, while delivering up to 22 mpg in the city and 24 on the highway. Not bad for a full-size pickup. For the purists, a 5.0-liter V8 might be available, cranking out 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet, though it's less efficient at 16 mpg city and 24 highway. All engines are paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, and you can choose between rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. Depending on your needs, the F-100's handling is surprisingly agile for a pickup. The steering is direct and responsive, making it feel smaller than it is, whether you're navigating a tight parking lot or cruising on the highway. The suspension is tuned for a balance of comfort and capability, soaking up bumps while keeping the truck planted during cornering. If you're taking it off-road, the available Tremor trim adds skid plates, all-terrain tires, and a lifted suspension for extra ground clearance. The F-100 also boasts impressive towing and payload capacities. Expect up to 10,000 pounds of towing and 2,000 pounds of payload, depending on the configuration. For those who want to go electric, there's talk of an F-100 Lightning variant with dual motors, 452 horsepower, and a 240-mile range, though details are still scarce. One thing's for sure, Ford's giving you plenty of options to match your driving style and workload. Let's talk money. Pricing for the 2026 F-100 hasn't been officially released, but we can make educated guesses based on the F-150 and market trends. The base 40 trim should start around $38,000, making it competitive with other full-size pickups like the Ram 1500 or Chevy Silverado. Mid-tier XLT models will likely hover around $45,000, while the Lariat pushes closer to $55,000 with its upscale features. The Top Dog Platinum trim could hit $70,000 or more, especially with options like the hybrid powertrain or Blue Cruise hands-free driving system. If the F-100 Lightning becomes reality, expect it to start around $50,000 for the base model, with extended range versions climbing to $80,000. Keep in mind, these are estimates, and Ford's known for annual price bumps, so the final numbers could be slightly higher. Compared to rivals, the F-100 offers a lot of value, especially with its blend of retro style and modern tech, but the higher trims can get pricey fast. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Ford F-100 is a truck that's hard to ignore. If you're a fan of classic design but want the performance and tech of a modern pickup, this could be your dream ride. The retro styling is a head-turner, and the variety of powertrains means there's something for everyone, whether you're towing, commuting, or hitting the trails. The interior is a standout, offering comfort and versatility that rival some luxury SUVs. That said, there are a few things to consider. The higher trims can get expensive, and if you're not sold on the retro look, the standard F-150 might offer similar capability for less cash. Fuel economy on the non-hybrid models isn't class-leading, so if efficiency is a priority, the PowerBoost hybrid is worth a look. Also, while the F-100's build quality is expected to be solid, some online chatter suggests Ford's new models can have teething issues, so keep an eye on early reviews. For suggestions, I'd recommend the XLT trim with the hybrid powertrain for most buyers. It strikes a great balance of features, performance, and efficiency without breaking the bank. If you plan to tow heavy loads, go for the 3.5-liter V6 for its extra torque. Off-road enthusiasts should check out the Tremor package for its rugged upgrades. And if you want to stand out, splurge on the two-tone paint. It's a small price to pay for that classic F-100 vibe. For long-distance drivers, Blue Cruise is a game-changer, and the ProPower onboard system is a must for anyone using the truck. for work or outdoor adventures. As we wrap up, the 2026 Ford F-100 is shaping up to be a love letter to truck fans who crave nostalgia but demand modern performance. It's not just a revival, it's a bold statement that Ford's doubling down on its pickup legacy. Whether you're a longtime F-100 fan or J,